afternoon, class 9, chemistry, subject science, unit 11, some gases. Class 9 is subject science, some gases. In class 9, you have to study 3 gases. They are hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen, which are insoluble in water. But in class 10, you have to read 2 gases, ammonia and carbon dioxide, which are soluble in water. Question number 1. See, who discovered hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen? Here, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. This is a very simple question, or it may be in general knowledge. Who discovered hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen? Can you say who discovered hydrogen? Hydrogen gas. Hydrogen means hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas was discovered by a British chemist by Henry Cavendish. By Henry Cavendish. It is an inflammable gas. Inflammable means it burns itself. आफै बल्छ. Oxygen, which is very important for respiration. Oxygen was discovered by actually Anthony Lavoisier, but he presented his papers later on. So Joseph Priestley was the first person. Oxygen was discovered by Joseph Priestley. Joseph Priestley, a British chemist. But oxygen was discovered by Joseph Priestley, but the properties were studied by Anthony Lavoisier. Anthony Lavoisier. Oxygen is important for respiration. Hydrogen burns itself. Oxygen helps to burn. Nitrogen does not burn, does not help to burn, and it does not extinguish. बल्दैन, बाल्दैन, र बलेको नि बल्दैन. Nitrogen. Nitrogen means azota. The name of nitrogen is azota, no lie. Was discovered by Daniel Rutherford. Daniel Rutherford, not Daniel Webster. Daniel Webster, lexicographer, American dictionary, but Daniel Rutherford, not Daniel Rutherford. Daniel, not Webster, Daniel Rutherford. Question number 2. Can you write down how to balance the chemical equations to prepare the 3 gases? Mention 3 balanced equations. Means here balanced chemical equations. Here equation means balanced chemical equations to prepare hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen in the lab. Write down the present. First of all, some short questions related to 3 gases, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. First of all, hydrogen. The solution is this. How to prepare hydrogen? Zinc plus sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, react. Zinc and sulfuric acid react to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. This gas is prepared, evolved and collected in the gas cell. Oxygen 2KClO3. Here I write down the balanced chemical equation. Here heat, catalyst, pressure. 2KClO3, potassium chloride and oxygen by heating potassium chlorate in the hard glass testing. Zinc and sulfuric acid, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen, potassium chloride and oxygen. How to prepare nitrogen in the lab? Sodium nitrite plus ammonium chloride. See, sodium chloride, see, double displacement reaction, sodium chloride plus hydrogen and oxygen, 2H2O, and nitrogen gas is formed. By heating a mixture of sodium nitrite and ammonium chloride in a hard glass test tube, nitrogen gas is formed. And question number 2. See, how to manufacture of hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. How to manufacture these gases on a large scale for industrial preparation. This is question number 3. Manufacture of hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Hydrogen manufacture. Hydrogen is manufactured from methane and steam. From methane. Methane means CH4 and steam. Steam or vapor is to bypassing methane and steam. See, CH4 methane, H2O, CO plus 4 plus 2 6, 3 to the 6. This mixture is also called water gas. The mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen is called water gas. It is used for heating purposes. And hydrogen and oxygen, both hydrogen and oxygen can also be manufactured from water. From the electrolysis of water. Like, see, 2H2O, 2H2 plus O2. By the electrolysis of water, we get hydrogen at the cathode and oxygen at the anode. And nitrogen from air. Nitrogen can be manufactured from air by heating and cooling. Short question 4. Define. Number A, water gas. What is water gas? Just by the name, the mixture of carbon monoxide CO and hydrogen is called water gas. The formula is CO plus H2. This is the formula. This is water gas. Another, Haber process. What do you mean Haber process? नाइट्रोजन र हाइड्रोजनबाट अमोनिया बनाउने तरिका. Scientist Haber. It is the manufacture of ammonia gas. Ammonia gas formula NH3 from nitrogen and hydrogen under certain conditions. What are the conditions? From nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas are allowed to pass. The temperature is about 500 degrees Celsius, 250 atmospheric pressure, and under a catalyst. It may be iron or molybdenum, and 3 to the 6, 2NH3. This is called Haber process. From manufacture of ammonia gas from nitrogen and hydrogen is called Haber process. Another, nascent hydrogen. Nascent. What is this? It is a newly born BORN hydrogen or atomic state hydrogen. Atomic hydrogen as a result of a chemical reaction. It is more reactive than molecular or ordinary hydrogen. Now S plus S is 2. 2. One hydrogen, nascent hydrogen atom, another nascent hydrogen atom combine together to form a hydrogen molecule. नाइट्रोजन र हाइड्रोजनको दुईटा nascent हाइड्रोजनको एटमबाट एउटा मोलिक्युल बन्छ. D. Hydrogenation. It is the manufacture of dalda by bubbling hydrogen over vegetable oils. That means unsaturated hydrocarbons are converted to saturated hydrocarbons. For example, vegetable oils plus hydrogen under certain condition like nickel 200 degrees Celsius temperature, what we get? Dalda means वनस्पति घी. नेपालीमा नाइट्रोजन र हाइड्रोजनबाट अमोनिया बनाउनेलाई ह्यापर प्रोसेस भनिन्छ. न्यासेन्ट हाइड्रोजन एकदम मोर एक्टिभ हुन्छ अर्डिनरी भन्दा, त्यसलाई न्यासेन्ट हाइड्रोजन भनिन्छ. अर्को छ वाटर ग्यास, कार्बन मोनोक्साइड र हाइड्रोजनको मिक्सचर. अर्को छ हाइड्रोजनेसन, एउटा हाइड्रोजनको युज हो. vegetable oil and hydrogen gas combined at 200 degrees Celsius in the presence of nickel to manufacture dalda.